What's up, guys? What's going on today? I'm here to give you my honest WP Response Pro review. Guys, I am so excited about this plugin. So excited. And if you are into email marketing, you are definitely going to be excited with this plugin. This plugin, guys, I'm not going to lie, is badass actually. It's worth the fucking money. It's badass. I purchased it. I think it's around like 70 bucks or something. I just purchased it yesterday. But what this plugin does, it's basically gonna kill, like Mailchimp, Aweber, GetResponse, all that. For the simple fact that those guys charge a lot of money, and for the autoresponders, those guys charge a lot of money monthly. As most of you guys already know. If you're in the email marketing, then you already know about Aweber, GetResponse, Sendinblue. There's a few, tons of them out there that charge, and like I think GetResponse is $15 and you only get 1,000 subscribers, and then it's like I think to get like 5,000 subscribers, you're paying like freaking $200 a month or something. Man, that's whack. You know what I'm saying? Guys, this plugin right here, WP Response Pro, is awesome. For the autoresponders, um, I just set this up on my website last night. I already got 4 subscribers in here. The autoresponders are awesome, and they work, uh, yeah, beautifully. And what I like about this actually, then GetResponse and Aweber, they got good templates and stuff for you to send your emails out with. But with this, it's just like a WordPress post. And it actually looks like the way you set it up when you send it in the email, it looks like that, and it looks awesome. Like you can set it up so many different ways. Like and show their name where you want it to be shown at. It's a good plugin, guys. Great plugin. Like I said, you pay a one-time fee for this, and that cuts out your monthly fees to Aweber or GetResponse or any of that. Because this and you know what else makes this great is this because it's coming from your domain, like Aweber, GetResponse, and all that. It tends to get saturated with the email uh, guys, so they kind of a lot of their emails, sometimes don't hit the inbox as well. If this comes from your own website, it's 9 times out of 10 it's going to hit their inbox. So you're definitely going to get uh, a lot of your emails are going to be hitting their inbox, so you're going to get more opens, more clicks, stuff like that. uh, Guys, I highly recommend this. I do a lot of product reviews. I buy a lot of products online, test them out and everything. If you guys want to see some more of my reviews, just so you know that I'm not hyping this product up or whatever, I always give my honest review. You guys can go check out a lot of my reviews over at moneymatrix.net. I'll leave a link in the description, okay? Moneymatrix.net. It's a community-based website over there. I teach a lot of ways to make money online. I show you guys my method, and how I make money online. But besides that, I do a lot of product reviews, and I have real product reviews over there. Like I think I just brought a product that I actually gave a bad review on because it kind of irritated me. I think it was a Video Robot. Yeah, if you guys heard of that product, stay away from that product. It's to me, it's kind of whack. Because you're going to end up having to pay like I think about $400 or $500 to actually unlock all the full potential of it, and it just check out that review if you want to see that over at moneymatrix.net. But anyways, guys, so this is another real review, and I'm telling you the truth. Definitely go purchase this product if you're into email marketing. It's going to save you a lot of money in the long run, and you can do a lot more with it. And you can set it up on each one of your websites, and it's on autopilot, guys, and it's pretty awesome. So if you're looking, if you've seen this product somewhere, somebody sent you a link to it or something, you're probably out here looking for reviews on it now. I do the same thing just to see if anybody got any reviews on, see if the product's worth buying or not. But yeah, so like I said, my name's Robert. You guys do all that good YouTube stuff, like, share, subscribe. Come check me out over at moneymatrix.net, guys. For the simple fact that I bought the developer rights to this product. So what I do over at moneymatrix.net is, I buy a lot of the license and the rights to a lot of the stuff that I buy. And for my members over there at moneymatrix.net, uh, they get a lot of good stuff, like a lot of, like I said, I show them methods on how to make money online. Plus I got a lot of good tools and stuff that, for my members, I let them have access to. With the developer rights with this, I can actually install this on your website for you, um, so you can bypass spending $70 to get the actual product by becoming a member over at Money Matrix. So you guys might want to think about that. Or either way, go check out the product wherever you've seen it at. Go through there, spend the $70. It's well worth it either way, guys. So I hope this has been good for you guys, and y'all have a wonderful evening or day or wherever it is, wherever you're at. Peace.